RedMagic recently confirmed the launch date for its next-gen flagship gaming smartphones November 13th in China. The series is expected to include the RedMagic 10 Pro, RedMagic 10 Pro Plus, and RedMagic 10 Ultra. This is the first look RedMagic 10 Ultra. The brand just shared a fresh teaser video, confirming its impressive display specs. The teaser was for the RedMagic 10 Pro lineup, which showcased its new Wukong screen. RedMagic claims that this is the industry's first 1.5K true full screen with a 95.3% screen-to-body ratio and 2000 nit peak brightness, a tall 7-inch plus OLED display and 144Hz refresh rate, and an under-display selfie camera. The lineup will run on a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with up to 24GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. The RedMagic 10 Pro series are also expected to house a dedicated gaming chip and a PC-level cooling system for improved heat dissipation. A massive 7050 mAh battery pack is expected to power this device, which may support 120W wired fast charging, a 50MP main camera, and 16MP front camera. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.